Welcome, my subscribers. This is Life Discipline. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to all of our hearts saving money. Life throws curveballs, like unexpected medical bills or car repairs. That's where building a solid financial foundation comes in. In this video, I'm sharing 8 practical tips to help you save more effectively. From mastering the art of the budget to unlocking the secrets of generic brands, these strategies will empower you to take control of your finances. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Alright, let's talk about budgets. Think of it like this. If you were going on a road trip, you wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving aimlessly, right? You'd map out your route, plan your stops, and estimate your expenses. A budget does the same thing for your money. It gives you a clear picture of where your money is coming from and, more importantly, where it's going. Start by tracking your income, your salary, any side hustles, or other sources of cash flow. Next, list out all your expenses. Be thorough. Include everything from rent and groceries to those daily coffees and subscription services. Once you have a handle on your income and expenses, you can start identifying areas where you might be able to cut back. By understanding your spending habits, you can make conscious decisions to align them with your financial goals. Now that you have a budget, let's talk about building your financial safety net, your emergency fund. This is the money you set aside specifically for unexpected events, like a medical emergency, job loss, or that dreaded car repair. The goal is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Start by setting aside a small amount each month, even if it's just $50 or $100. As you get used to saving and start finding more ways to cut back, you can gradually increase that amount. Every dollar you put into your emergency fund is a dollar you don't have to stress about when something unexpected happens. A great way to build your emergency fund is to automate your savings. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. You won't even miss the money, but it'll be there for you when you need it most. Let's be honest, we live in a world of subscriptions. Streaming services, music apps, meal kits, the list goes on and on. While these services can be convenient, they can also silently drain your bank account. Take some time to review all your subscriptions. Canceling just a few unused subscriptions can free up a significant amount of money each month. Think about it. $10 here, $15 there, it adds up quickly. That extra cash could be going towards your emergency fund, your investments, or something you actually enjoy. So take a good look at your subscriptions and see where you can trim the fat. Eating out is definitely enjoyable and convenient, but it can also be a major budget buster. Those takeout coffees, restaurant meals, and food delivery fees add up quickly. Cooking at home, on the other hand, is not only easier on your wallet, but also healthier. Start by planning your meals for the week. This will help you avoid those last-minute impulse grocery runs, where you end up buying a bunch of stuff you don't need. Look for recipes online or in cookbooks that are budget-friendly and easy to make. There are tons of resources out there for delicious and affordable meals. You'd be surprised how much you can save by simply cooking at home more often. Plus, you'll have complete control over the ingredients, which mean healthier and potentially tastier meals. Owning a car is a significant expense. You've got car payments, insurance, gas, maintenance. The list goes on and on. If you live in an area with decent public transportation, consider using it as much as possible. Taking the bus, train, or subway can save you a ton of money in the long run. Plus, you'll be doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint. Public transportation might not be feasible for everyone or every trip, but even incorporating it into your routine a couple of times a week can make a difference in your budget. Think about it. While you're stuck in traffic, you could be relaxing on the train, catching up on your reading, or even getting some work done. Here's a secret that most people don't realize. Those generic or store brand products are often just as good as the name brands, but at a fraction of the cost. Seriously, give them a try. You'll be amazed at how much you can save on everyday essentials like groceries, toiletries, and household cleaning supplies. The difference in price can be significant, and often the quality is comparable, if not identical. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your favorite generic alternatives. So, next time you're at the grocery store, challenge yourself to try at least a few generic options. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy them and how much money you save. Lowering your energy consumption isn't just good for the environment, it's also great for your wallet. There are a few simple things you can do around the house to reduce your energy usage and save money on your utility bills. Turn off lights when you leave a room. Unplug electronics when you're not using them. And consider using power strips to easily switch off multiple devices at once. Invest in energy efficient appliances. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label, which indicates they meet certain energy saving standards. These small changes might seem insignificant, but they can add up to big savings over time. Have you ever gone to the grocery store hungry and without a list? It's a recipe for disaster, both for your wallet and your waistline. You end up buying a bunch of stuff you don't need, and you overspend because you're making impulsive decisions. The solution is simple. Always shop with a list. Plan your meals for the week. Make a list of the ingredients you need and stick to it. This will help you avoid those tempting impulse buys that sabotage your budget. And here's a pro tip. Try using the cash envelope system for groceries. So, there you have it. 8 smart and actionable ways to save money for a rainy day. Remember, building a solid financial foundation is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, pick 1 or 2 tips that resonate with you, and gradually incorporate more strategies as you get comfortable. The most important thing is to take action and start making progress towards your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to join our family